In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Supabase Authentication in Lovable. We're going to connect Lovable to Supabase so you can use Supabase's authentication features directly in your Lovable projects. This process is quick and secure, and by the end, your workspace will be authorized to talk to Supabase for auth-related actions. Before you start, make sure you're signed in to both Lovable and Supabase in the same browser for a smooth flow. Begin on the Lovable dashboard. This is your home base where you manage projects and workspace settings. If you land on a different page, use the main navigation to return to the dashboard. From there, open your account menu by clicking the profile icon in the top corner, then choose Settings. Settings is where workspace-wide configuration lives, including integrations and permissions. If you're part of a team, ensure you have the right role to manage integrations, otherwise you may need an admin to complete the connection. Inside Settings, head to the Connectors area. Connectors let Lovable securely integrate with third-party services without manual API key handling. It centralizes access so your projects can safely use external capabilities like authentication. Use the search bar and type Supabase. This filters the available connectors so you can quickly find the official Supabase option. If you don't see it, double-check your Workspace tab and ensure filters aren't hiding it. Sometimes a quick page refresh helps if the list hasn't loaded fully. Select the Supabase tile and click Connect Supabase. This begins a secure authorization flow. Instead of pasting secrets, Lovable will request permission directly from Supabase using an auth style prompt. If your browser blocks pop-ups or redirects, temporarily allow them for this step. You'll be taken to Supabase to review the access request. Confirm that you're signed into the correct Supabase account, and then click Authorize Lovable. Authorizing grants Lovable only the scopes needed to enable authentication features in your apps. You can revoke this access later from your Supabase settings if needed. After authorizing, you'll be returned to Lovable and you should see Supabase listed as connected. If the page doesn't update right away, refresh the Connectors tab to confirm the linkage. That's it, the connection is live. With Supabase authorized, you can now leverage its authentication within Lovable, such as wiring sign-in and sign-up experiences to your projects. If you run into access or visibility issues, verify your workspace permissions and that you're using the intended Supabase account. Thanks for following along and enjoy building with Lovable and Supabase working together.